Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website googlestore.com. I love the name, I love the logo. The text underneath the logo is difficult to read, so perhaps you can optimize or remove this little text or optimize it better. Free shipping information is really user-friendly. 50% sale ends today. If remember to stay trustworthy with your sale offers. So if it really ends today, make sure to return the prices to regular prices tomorrow. Otherwise, you risk of losing trust and authority, and obviously any future sales from your regular visitors. The featured products part look great. I would just optimize the title to be more SEO friendly to help you attract more relevant traffic, and all other titles as well. I can see this image repeats at least 3 or 4 times on the home page. Remember to use different images to add variety, to add authenticity, and obviously to improve your conversion rate. Add more trust signals such as shipping page, returns page. These are important for your potential customers. Think about also how you can stand out from your competitors better, because almost everybody's dropshipping. It's so easy to start dropshipping, but if you want to turn it into a long-term business, think about what you can offer unique that no other shop will offer, so you can attract business from potential customers who will choose you over other competitors. So it can be customer service, it can be faster shipping, it can be better quality products. It can be better, like more personalized approach of returns, more personalized approach um, to contacting you and so on. So think about what really how you can make this business better to stand out from the competition. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.